So we start off today's video with a hair transformation. She has this beautiful natural hair sitting around the shoulder length. Ooh, yes. Oh my goodness. I love the way that this color came out. Beautiful dimension. A bit of a layered texture to this shoulder length cut as well. But the color is what really grabs my attention. She's got the money piece highlight, blonde. So pretty. And then we move to a classic all black bob style. This one ends right around the jawline. Followed by another hair makeover. Ooh. Wow, beautiful classic all black pixie. I love the shape of this. It has a gorgeous amount of texture and volume to it. A bit of an asymmetrical cut. Very cute. Her stylist is just playing in that hair. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. Looking at that cut makes me want to run and get my hair cut like right now. Like that is just so cute. Next up, we have another pixie. This is more of a sandy blonde color here. Followed by another pixie style. So she is showcasing all the different ways that she has worn her pixie. And then we have someone getting their hair styled by their husband. Hey. So she has a bob here going with this gorgeous red lip. I don't know if I would let my man curl my hair though. Like, actually, my husband is bald. If you're an OG of the channel, you know. But yeah, I would definitely not let my man curl my hair. Like, not gonna happen. Oh, I love her color. So this is the before. Oh, she shook it up with blue. Wow. Oh my goodness. Look at the dimension with this color too. This is gorgeous. It's like the perfect color of blue for her complexion. Beautiful dimension. Wow. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed taking a look at all of these hairstyle ideas that you can rock out this season. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.